Welcome back to another video. It's been a while. It's currently December 5th, Sunday, 12:51 p.m. It's like the middle of the day. And I have a lot to do. I need to study for finals because it is finals week. And then I have 2 interviews lined up tomorrow for an iOS engineering job. And then I also want to work on just streamed. We could talk about that later, but for now, I'm gonna be working on past assignments to make sure that I sort of understand everything that's been going on. So I just finished doing like an hour and a half of work for studying for the final. I'm gonna go make lunch and then work on streamed because I need to make the videos for the entire week for the TikTok and Instagram accounts. We'll spend like an hour and a half making those videos and coming up with ideas, and then we'll work on streamed, and I'll do like a little explanation of what exactly streamed is. All right, I just finished lunch, so now what we're gonna do is sort of plan out the whole week for the videos that we need to create for streamed and the social media accounts. And then actually make the videos. That way, when I need to post a video, which is like 2 videos a day, I don't have to create it every single time. I just have it ready. So that's what we're gonna do right now. Alright, so if you're looking at the screen, the way that I plan everything out, I pretty much use Asana for everything. So like these are, if you're looking here, these are all the videos that I've posted already. But then like if, for example, a video has multiple parts, what I'll do is I'll make one general task for that title of video sets, and then different parts with each part being a different comment. It's not the best way to track everything because I post everything to both TikTok and Instagram, but it gets the job done. So I sort of have the complete set for the week that I want to post. I'm not going to post all these at the same time. These are sort of just planned out. So I maybe want to post 3 for this week and save another 3 for next week, and then take another 4 from this set right here, and then turn those into videos, which will go into the finished video section when it's done. And then I'll post it just whenever the day comes. So I use this website here called anychart.net to sort of look at all the new anime for the season. So I have winter 2022 selected right here, and then you just scroll down and take a note of all the anime coming out for that given season. It's just under 5 o'clock right now, so I finished creating all the videos for the week. You saw earlier that I posted one of them, so I think I created 7 total today. Yesterday I created another 7, but that just highlights different anime releasing throughout the week. This one's a little bit different, and so I think I'll have enough until next Saturday to keep me going. So that's done. And now what I think I'm going to do is spend the next 2 hours studying for my finals, because I have a final on Tuesday and I have a final on Thursday, which need to be taken care of, and like I need to make sure I'm ready for those. And then once 7 o'clock hits, usually around that time I have dinner, and then when we get back, we're gonna work on streamed, either do some development or work on some marketing, or do some designs for new features before the January release for streamed 2022. And then we'll talk about more what streamed actually is and why I'm putting so much time into it. But for now, we're gonna go do some more problem sets for the finals that I need to be studying for. I don't know if you can see, but I have Ray's stream pulled up in the background too. I like to just keep it in the background while I do my work. So let's go do that. So it's now 8:10 p.m. doing homework for a couple of hours, and now I want to sort of transition into talking about streamed and start working on that because I'm going to do some work for it. A little bit about streamed first. So what it is, if you've ever used Letterboxd, which is a website that you can use to track and rate movies, keep a running list of all the movies that you want to see and the ones that you have seen. It's essentially that, but for anime. and so I've created an iOS app for it. It started in the middle of February 2021, so which was earlier this year, and I released the app on the App Store in like July. I think it was July, either July or August is when it was launched on the App Store. And ever since then, for the next couple months after that until now, I've been working on putting out a big release for Streamed in the new year. I'm calling it Streamed 2022. And so this isn't the first app to do this. Like, I'm not the first app to do this. There are already existing sites such as My AnimeList. It's one of the oldest ones that's been here. And AniList, which is sort of the competitor to My AnimeList. It doesn't have as big as a database as My AnimeList, I believe, but the user experience is incredible. Where I sort of fit into that, because I'm doing the same thing, is Streamed is a mobile first app versus being a web first app. And so My AnimeList and AniList both have sort of mobile apps that are developed by third parties, so they're not exactly directly associated with whoever created them. And so, the quality of third-party apps vary versus Streamed, which is a mobile first. So all of the development process right now is working on that iOS app. And so what I'm going to be doing now is, the plan is for the month of December, I'm going to be working on marketing as well as developing sort of the premium subscription model and making sure all of that is fleshed out. And so we're going to be doing it for the next couple of hours, probably until like 10 o'clock, 11, if I feel like it, if I don't get tired. We're going to be designing a couple of screens for the subscription model. Okay, so I just started the process for archiving the app and then pushing it up to App Store Connect, where I can open it up to TestFlight so users can download it. So that's going on in the background. It does take a little bit. But now I need to get ready for bed because it is 10 o'clock and I'm feeling tired. I'm also sort of stressed out because it is finals week this week, like I said earlier. And I also have 2 interviews lined up tomorrow back to back. So that's going to be fun. So I just need to make sure that I'm well rested and ready for that. So I'm gonna end the video there. If you enjoyed it, like and subscribe, follow for more, follow my socials, and if you want to keep up with Stream development, leave a comment down below letting me know. But yeah, until the next video, hopefully it's not a couple years in between, I'll see you then.